In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bill in QuickBooks Online. To get started, open QuickBooks Online and sign into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Plus Create. This is where you can quickly start new transactions and records. From the list of options that appears, select Bill. This will open the bill entry screen, where you can record money your business owes to a vendor for products or services received. The first thing you'll want to do is choose the vendor. In the vendor field, select the correct supplier or service provider from your list. It's important to make sure you pick the right vendor here, because this helps keep your accounts payable records organized and accurate. Next, enter the bill date. This should usually match the date shown on the vendor's invoice. After that, enter the due date, which tells QuickBooks when the payment is expected. Recording both dates correctly helps you stay on top of upcoming payments and avoid late fees. If the vendor provided a bill number or invoice number, enter it in the bill number field. This can be very helpful later if you need to search for the bill or match it to the original document. Now move down to the category details section. Here, choose the appropriate expense category for the purchase, then enter the amount. For example, depending on what the bill is for, you might categorize it under office expenses, utilities, or another expense account that fits your chart of accounts. If the bill includes multiple types of expenses, you can add additional categories as needed. You can also enter item details instead, if that's more appropriate for how you track purchases in your business. If you want to include extra information, add a memo or description. This is optional, but it can be useful for internal notes or to clarify what the bill is for. If you have a copy of the invoice or any other backup documents, you can attach supporting files directly to the bill. That makes it easier to reference everything in one place later. Before saving, take a moment to review all the bill information carefully. Check the vendor name, dates, bill number, category details, amounts, and any notes or attachments to make sure everything is correct. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close. Your bill is now recorded in QuickBooks Online and will be available for future payment and reporting. Thanks for watching.